So let me just cut you in here. So I just got this post. Let me just read it out for him. I want to mention his name, but a very popular digital media personality in this country has shared this back end to me personally, and it says so. June, $5,903. July. Wow. $4,679. August, $6,009. September, $5,574. October, $5,600 and some dollars. And November, no, it says he's at $3,000 in $3,100 in November, and YouTube says ongoing. Wow.
What's up, guys? So it's your guy Shapira here once again. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you, or I'm going to show you the amount of money Ghanaians YouTubers make on YouTube. Okay, I'm going to let you know how they make money on YouTube and the amount of money they are paying every month. Okay, as I have been saying always, YouTube pay every month. And if you're my subscribers, you have been on my channel for a long time, you know that I like talking about how to create a YouTube channel and how you can make money through YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you the amount of money Ghanaians YouTubers, the popular YouTubers in Ghana, are making in Ghana here. And for example, people like Kojo Shell, as we all know, Kojo Shell is a Ghanaian, Tekinchi is a Ghanaian, Boy Papi, all those YouTubers that are in Ghana. I'm going to show you how much they are making on YouTube here. And guys, it's been a long time that I've recorded video here, because as I said earlier, and I'm saying always, that I have to look for the best way of doing things before I'll do video showing my face as I'm doing here, telling you the best things that I do to make money online. But I also have a bunch of videos releasing every day. Okay guys, I've been releasing videos about Bitcoin. So if you are somebody up there who love Bitcoin, who like to get free Bitcoin, and I guess those my videos that I'm releasing will be the best videos for you to watch up there. So guys, without talking much, I'm just going to let you to watch the video. Okay, I'm just going to watch the video to the end, and you're going to see the amount of money that those YouTubers make just on YouTube. They have other side business that they do, but just on YouTube, the money that I'm going to show you just on YouTube, how much they make just on YouTube for a month. Okay, just for a month. So without wasting much time, this is the most important part of the back end. So we have 3.2 million views. We've earned an estimated revenue of $11,230.
$763.83. $763.83. And my main phone is na main show. Oba in scam yeah, commercial banker. Promoting tax in the free $763 in no, but about $722. And that's $722. So the bargain scheme does 89 million. You find 90 million. 90 million. You find last month September now.
That is the amount of money that those YouTubers make on YouTube. Guys, the video that I've showed you so far, guys, it's not like any screenshot or any editing that they have done. Guys, those are the actual money that those people, those two guys that I've shown you right now, those are the actual money that they make on YouTube. So as you can see, Kojo Shell, which is a popular YouTuber in Ghana here right now, is making over a lot of money on the screen. So as you can see on the screen right now, you can see the amount of money when you bring it. Those of you who are in Ghana watching the video, you can see he's making over a lot of money online. Okay, he's making about 1,000 plus, 2,000 plus, 3,000 plus. They are making just in a month. Okay, just in a month, or just in a 4 weeks. That's the money they are making just in a 4 weeks. So guys, as I said earlier, and I'm telling you again, that you can also make the same money. Okay, you can also make the same money by just following the first step. They didn't just start just like that and they are making money. Even though I know some of you up there who want to start, but I think that the starting is some kind of difficult for you. And guys, as I always said, the starting is always difficult. Okay, the starting is always difficult, but when you compare consistency and how determined you are, guys, you're also going to make a lot of money from those channels there. Okay, so I urge you all watching my channel or watching this video to try and get a YouTube channel. Okay, try and get a YouTube channel. And guys, if you're somebody up there who love to get a YouTube channel, or who love to create your, you want to a YouTube channel to buy, or you want a YouTube channel with subscribers already, or all those things already, you can comment below. Okay, comment below. I will get in touch with you and show you the best way to do to get more views on all those things. And guys, if you're somebody up there who doesn't have money, okay, you don't have money, but you just want to start a YouTube channel, and for your information, YouTube channel is for free, okay, but you don't have money and you want to start YouTube channel for free, guys, just comment below, let me know, so that I will do a video about how you can get more subscribers within a month and how you can get more views within a month. And guys, those of you who have some small money to spend and you like to do everything, you have to get more subscribers, you have to get more watch time, you want to be taking money from YouTube as fast as possible, just comment below. Okay, just comment below and let me know. Tell me that Shapira said I'm in. Okay, I'm in. I did this. Or you can go to any of my social media platform. You can go to Telegram, search for Shapiro Acid 71. You see me there. You can go to TikTok, Shapiro Acid. You see me there. You can go to Twitter. You see me there. Instagram. You see me there. Shapiro Acid. Just Shapiro Acid. Okay. Just Shapiro, as you can see on my shirt right now. Just Shapiro Acid. So when you type my name, just gets me there. You get a lot of information and things that you need to post. So moreover, as Christmas is approaching here, I'm going to do a giveaway, okay? But I'm still working on how the giveaway will be done. So just stay tuned for any of my video. Make sure that you watch all of my videos because I'm going to give a giveaway announcement very soon. But I don't know how it's going to be. So I'm just going to sit down and think about it and just let me know how it's going to come about and I will let you all know, okay? So guys, I miss you all. I know it's been a long time that you have seen my face, but I promise you that you continue to be seeing my face like this. And my next video, I'll try hard and bring about the giveaway announcement, how the giveaway is going to be for the Christmas year. And I'm wishing you Merry Christmas in advance and everything. As you can see, I bought my flowers for the Merry Christmas. These are my flowers for Christmas. So you can also go and get your flowers for Christmas. So guys, without talking much more, without making this video very long, if you have any question about me or you have any of my videos that you don't understand, you want to ask question about, just drop it in the comment section. I'm always available and I'm going to reply to all your comments as soon as possible, okay? And those of you who have messaged me, I have a lot of messages on my Telegram page, okay? I have a lot of messages, and also Instagram, I have a lot of messages that I need to reply. Guys, please don't get angry because I have over 1,000+ messages that I need to reply. Don't worry, I'm going to have my time for all those messages, and I promise you I'm going to reply all those messages, okay? So don't get bored that Shapiro Acid is not replying our messages. Shapiro Acid is doing it. Don't worry, guys, I promise you I'm going to reply to all your messages. And guys, before I forget to, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on TikTok, follow me all of the social media platforms, and follow me there. Just type the name Shapiro Acid, just Shapiro Acid, and you're going to get me. And guys, before we forget to, those of you who are looking for the Coinbase puzzle and the Trust Wallet puzzle that you are chatting me that it's not on the site, guys, yes, I have a technical problem with the site, okay? The site is not available for now. Okay, my website is not available for now. So guys, I'm very, very sorry. I was supposed to let you know earlier, but I've forgotten. But I'm very, very sorry about that. My site is not available right now. But I promise you, I'm going to sit down, work hard on it, and it will be back, okay? So those of you who are visiting my site for more information about how to make money online before you're not getting access to it, I'm apologizing that I'm still working on the site. I will just get in touch with you when I'm done with the site, and I will let you know when I'm done with the site. So see you on my next video, and the name still remains Shapiro Acid. I'm out.
What was that story? Share one of the stories that was very good for you.
You mean
In terms of one of your contents that was very good.
Oh, I mean, like the VGM, one of the videos from the VGM is the scandal of VGM is, you know, the
Stonebwoy.
yeah, stuff like that, you know.
The Stonebwoy Shatta Wale guy.
Yeah. It was huge. Like, I mean, I happened to be one of the few that put that out there because I was in the auditorium. You know, I was able to grasp that. So at that point in time, like everybody
was rushing to see.
Exactly.
But how do you manage?
Okay.
How do you manage? Now I know that when you put up sounds, and these artists get to know, or there's a formula or whatever they do that mutes and strikes your account. How do you manage that your account is still alive? Even when you go to events and you're doing interview and there's a song in the background which is by no fault of yours, you still get to strike.
Actually, this is one of the major challenges for we entertainment creators because third-party copyright stuff. Then again, I have a very good relationship with an MCN in Ghana, which is MyPromo. So with MyPromo, I literally manages almost all the artists in Ghana, with their songs and stuff like that. So there are certain videos that you do that, yes, I mean the artist can strike you and all of that, but then they look at the content of like, oh, okay, but this content is actually promoting the music. As that, for example, what Sheldon is doing with the breakdown and stuff. Like that. Sheldon can do a breakdown, and the breakdown video will get more views than even the actual video. Do you understand? But at the end of the day, what are we trying to? We are
the top.
And within which age bracket?
The age is 18 to 35.
Oh, we're getting some good vibes coming up.
Yeah, but I have all the way to 65 plus.
Wow.
When I see those 60, I'm happy because older women are very stuck in their ways. So for them to come and watch small Ajele, it's a big deal to me. My content that gave me the most money, I would say, was my mozzarella cheese, because it wasn't being watched just in Ghana. Yes, because it went viral. But I am the type of person, I think he mentioned that, or was it her, about putting out the right thing. I put out the cheese, it worked for me. During the pandemic, I took it down. Biggest mistake of my life, because that video alone gave me about 200,000 subscribers. And I took it down because, yes, people were failing at it. And I'm the type of person that, to me, I feel my content is the one content on YouTube that is no fail. And I pride myself in that when you try my recipe,
you get it.
You get it. So when a lot of people tried and they got it, but when people will try and they didn't get it, a lot of my fellow YouTubers will say, you would have been the first to hit 1 million in Ghana if you did not take down that video. But during the pandemic, somebody said, I just spent my last $20 making this cheese and I didn't get it. And without talking to anybody, I took the video down at 3.5 million views.
Wow.
And I did it again. I regret it, but then I don't. I made the same video so that I can explain it better. Somebody said you should have left it and made
another one.
But there's somebody that will find the one that people are having problems with and still waste their money. And I didn't want that to happen. That new video have done well. It's not at 1 million views yet, but it's like that one was just within a year. That video was over 3 million views, and I couldn't believe it. But I took it down. It gave me my most revenue too, because it was again being watched in America. The sad thing about my situation, but I don't find it so sad because I feel I'm helping my nation. I didn't start my channel to be stuck in Ghana because I felt like everything that I was putting out was already in Ghana. So I'm making agbilikaklo. Why should Ghanaians be watching agbilikaklo? Because you can just buy it on the streets, you know. But that it just so happened that my following just dropped in Ghana, and Ghanaians have made me sweet ajile. Because in the US, there's so many people that have over 1 million subscribers. I'll just be one of the goldfish in the pond. But because Ghanaians picked it up, although I'm not making as much money as, because like she said, she can put up a video and get 1 million views and make $1,000. I could put up a video and get 1 million views, but I'll make like 200 because I'm being watched in Ghana.
Wow. So let me just cut you in here. So I just got this post. Let me just read it out for him. I want to mention his name, but a very popular digital media personality in this country has shared this back end to me personally, and it says, so June, $5,903. July, $4,679. August, $6,009. September, $5,574. October, $5,600 and some dollars. And November, he says he's at $3,000 in $3,100 in November, and YouTube says ongoing. Wow.
Money you're making from each video. I think that what I've noticed, because I've lived in Ghana, I've lived in the US, I've lived in Canada, and in the 3 countries, I find that there's too much focus on how much money did you make from something in Ghana. People don't think about, is this something you really want to do? Because people will just hear numbers and be like, hey, she's making this kind of money. Hey, you're making that kind of money. Hey, this, hey, that. And lose sight of the purpose. Because I also want people to understand, because I'm one of the people who doesn't have the biggest numbers of followers and subscribers. I have about 22,000 subscribers on YouTube, whereas you have, you know, Sweet Ajile with 1 million, you know, and Tomonti, I think we are past 500K now, I believe. So, and I'm not even close to that number. So, but I'm still finding ways to monetize the content in other ways. So I've had people, contact me and say they want to use a clip for something. They'll pay this for a clip. They want to use this for this. So I don't focus on how much money I'm making from a video, because trust me, I'm not making those kind of numbers that everybody there on your panel is making off of their videos. Mine comes from things off of the platform, because as I mentioned earlier, I'm also managing other accounts, not only my own. So, and I've consulted for other tourism companies on their platforms. So I'm doing a lot of other work outside of just the YouTube space. But I'll tell you that my most successful video was the video I did with Steve Harvey. That's the most successful video. And then the next one is a video I did at the airport of AJ Johnson when she came into Ghana in 2019. She was doing the Adjoa dance. And then the next one is when the Prime Minister's wife came to Ghana, the Prime Minister of the Bahamas, his wife came to Ghana. Her son was being installed in the Western region. And it was her doing like a parade in the streets and a buzia, and she's dancing amongst the people as the masqueraders are dancing. She's dancing amongst the people, and then there's a ceremony. I find that the videos on culture get a lot of traction for me, and the videos where I interview people who are of interest also get a lot of traction for me. So yeah, those are the ones that have been,
Okay, we just barely have a few minutes, so.
Yeah. Whatever we're here doing, whoever's watching, I don't want them to focus on getting into YouTube because of money.
Yes.
Get into the social media work because you love it. Look at when I started cooking from JSS. I started cooking at 10 years old. Now, doing the cooking videos, by the time I'm done, my house is upside down.
Right.
And it's a lot of work. I hardly get any sleep. The most sleep I've had, I was telling him, was because my mom drugged me on the way down here. I needed, my whole body was